Now I would like to tell you how you can make GIF animations in Odeon with the use of the GIF animation workshop. If you look at the Odeon homepage, there's a lot of these kind of GIF animations with a mix of pictures from within the Odeon program and from outside. The tools you use for GIF animation is shown up here. There is a setup option. In this you can see that for every 200 milliseconds Odeon will grab an image. How big should it be? This is a trade-off of how nice should it look and how many images can the GIF animation hold. You can also see how will these GIF animation be displayed. Maybe I want to have it displayed the same way as I recorded. So 200 milliseconds, okay. Now I want to plan how the GIF animation should look, and I would like it to consist of this view, the source view, and other windows, the GL view, and for example the billiard ball view. It is important to make sure the windows are of the same size. It is possible to resize them later, but you will get the best image if you resize them from the beginning. So now I have some different pictures which I want to use. To begin the GIF animation, we press this one, Insert GIF Film. So now we have started. Then we can add a picture by pressing this Add Frame. That means grabbing one picture. And we can add a movie by taking this Add Sequence to Frame. And you can see up here that it's now running. We can stop it again. Maybe we want to add one of these pictures where you can see the source and receivers. Add another picture. In the different windows there are different options of how you want to get a good picture, and if you have pointed at a window you can always go to this menu which will change for the different windows up here and see the shortcuts of how you can move around and get different views. So if I use the arrows back and forth and shift arrow to the side, I can turn. Alt arrows to the side is moving sidewards or up and down. I can move back out of my room, and if I press P I can remove the surface nearest to the viewer. Shift P will take you back again. Another trick is that if you have a lot of these lines that are going zigzag like this and you want to have the vertical line straight, you can press H and then you will get straight lines in the room. And from here you can go back and forth and you will keep the straight vertical lines. I add a GIF animation and I press P. Like this. Okay, so when you finished doing your GIF animation, you press this Insert New GIF Film again to finish, and then you can save your GIF animation somewhere. I can just put it on the desktop. Say GIF animation. Save. Then they ask, do you want to show the GIF animation in the animation workshop? And I would like to do that. So now I have the GIF animation workshop, and out here is all of the pictures I inserted, and we can run and see how it looks. And we see that it's going pretty slow, so maybe we want to change the delays. So I can select all items and say, okay, I only want them to be 50 milliseconds. Set delays, and I can play the movie again. I want to start from the beginning of this billiard ball thing, so then I go down and say, okay, now my GIF animation start. I delete the above pictures, and sometimes in the beginning I want to have a more steady picture, so then I say the first picture should be maybe 2 seconds, and I can set delays individually like that. It is also possible to move images. Perhaps I wanted to start with this image, which just showed all of some sources and receivers, and I can move that image up all the way to the beginning. Say, okay, this should take some more time. 1000 seconds, yes. And then maybe this one doesn't have to take that long time. Maybe just 500 seconds. And we can show the animation again. Goes like this. Now we go down to where the GL view starts. I want this to have a 2 seconds break. And maybe just before this, I would like to add another picture from outside of ODN. Insert an image, and on the desktop I have this image of an opera, which I might want to use. So I have to move it up. And we can see the animation. So I'm quite satisfied now. But this image is somewhat larger than the other image. So I'd like to resize that. Now before I captured the images, I checked that the images from within ODN were about 500 pixels in the width. I want to resize so it fits with this width at least. But I don't want to specify a certain height of the picture. I do the image resizing. And ODN will go through all of the images to do the resizing. So then I can save my file, finalize, optimize, and save. So if I close it and save the changes, desktop, GIF animation, save, and say OK. Then the GIF animation should be here. I can show you. And this picture is the same width as the other pictures. But I promise you it will work if you do it at home.